Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurav Sir classes, and today we are doing iMocha assessment and we will be solving this question with you. So see, mostly we get all these kinds of question in each and every examination. So be it a government paper, be it private assessment, you get to see all these things, right? So this is extremely important that we should keep on practicing our numerical abilities, our quantitative aptitude, and we shouldn't take casually. Okay, now let's solve this. A trader marks goods 50% above cost price. He gives a discount of 20% and still earns a profit of 120. These are the information that we all have. So okay, so 50% above the cost price, 20%, he gives a discount of 20% and still earns a profit of 120. Okay. Now what is the cost price? 400, 500, 600, 800. Now let's assume over here, always see, assume x, let's cost price be x. Okay, so let's see p, cost price be x. Okay, we have got this. Now 50% above the cost price, what is their mark? What are they marking? 50%. 50% plus cp, or rather 50% plus 50%, we can say like this, 50% of x, that is 50% of cost price plus x. That's how we will get the answer. Now 50% of x plus x means what? It's basically 0.5x, right? If you divide 50 by 100, you will get this 0.5s. 0.5s plus x will turn out to be 1.5x. Done? 1.5 is clear? I think clear up till now. Now next they are talking about discount of 20%. Discount 20% on market price, 20% on MP, 20% on MP. So selling price. So selling price is selling price over here is SP. We can say SP, which is 80% of MP, 80% of MP. See over there they are saying they are 20% discount, 20% discount दे रहे हैं ना, तो discount कम हो जाएगा, 20 हो जाए, 20 कम 80% of MP, which will be 0.8 into 1.5x, 1.5x, and which will turn out to be 1.2x. Okay, समझ में आया? Now after discount SP will be 1.2x. आफ्टर डिस्काउंट एस पी 1.2. प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? फिर प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा एस पी माइनस सी पी, एस पी माइनस सी पी हो जाएगा, और प्रॉफिट मार्जिन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे हम लोग का कितना आएगा? 1.2x माइनस एक्स, विच विल बी 0.2x. समझ में आया? 0.2x समझ में आया. और गिवन प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे कितना है? गिवन प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे है, गिवन प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे कितना है? गिवन प्रॉफिट है 120. सी देखो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 120, गिवन प्रॉफिट 120 है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? सो 0.2x कितना हो जाएगा? 0.2 इंटू 120 का हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 120, और x का हो सॉरी 0.2x इक्वल टू 120 x इक्वल टू 120 बाई 0.2 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 600. 600 will be our answer. Okay, we have solved this one. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.